Digital marketing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your business in today's digital world. From social media marketing and content creation to SEO, online advertising, and email marketing, the right digital strategy can help your brand reach more people, build trust, attract new customers, and increase sales. A successful digital marketing strategy is not just about posting content. It is about understanding your audience, creating valuable content, staying consistent, engaging with customers, and using the right marketing channels to achieve your goals. Whether you are a small business owner, entrepreneur, freelancer, or growing brand, digital marketing can help you build a strong online presence and turn your ideas into real results. Start learning, keep improving, and use the power of digital platforms to take your business to the next level. Whether you are starting a new business or already have an established brand, digital marketing can help you create a stronger online presence and reach customers beyond your local market. With creativity, consistency, and the right approach, your business can grow faster